Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to S.O.S. Acupressure. I'm Shira, here to guide you in using acupressure for holistic wellness. As the days grow darker and the year draws to a close, many of us feel our own inner light dimming and a sense of dryness of the body, of the mind, of spirit. Whether it shows up as trouble sleeping, emotional depletion, or physical discomfort like a parched throat or the feeling like your muscles and the very bones in your body are dry, this time of year often highlights our need for replenishment, hydration, and rest. Today, I'll introduce you to KD6. By integrating this point into your wellness routine, you can replenish yin energy and restore balance, ease emotional overwhelm, anxiety, and restlessness, support better sleep, hydration, and hormonal balance. And it doesn't have to be winter for you to turn to KD6. It's good for any time of the year, and especially when you're seeking to reconnect with your own inner light and brighten up. Join me as we discover how just a few minutes of focused acupressure can help you feel more grounded, restored, and at ease. KD6, also known as shining or illuminated sea, is a powerhouse point with far-reaching benefits. This beautiful, beautiful point is a gateway to the kidney meridian or energy channel, which governs yin energy. That's the deepest, deep reserves of vitality in your body and our connection to the stillness within. It is located below the inner ankle bone. I'll show you where in a moment. Physically, it supports hydration, alleviates dryness, promotes restful sleep, and provides essential aid to the kidneys and adrenals. Emotionally, it calms our spirit. It eases anxiety and fear, helping you feel more centered and resilient. Spiritually, KD6 reconnects you to the deep, still waters of yin energy within, nurturing your ability to rest into who you truly are, the bright light that you are inside, and restore your vitality. I often recommend KD6 to clients who feel somehow disconnected, dried out, super fatigued, or looking like they're drained of vitality, kind of gray. Whether they're struggling with sleep, navigating hormonal shifts, or feeling emotionally taxed, I recommend this point. This point helps them soften into their experience, release tension, and find inner strength. It's not uncommon for clients to feel immediate relief when activating this point, something like a cooling or warming sensation, an easing of tension, or simply a sense of being more present and hydrated both inside and out. Many even describe feeling as though they're floating in an ocean, held and supported by gentle, calm waters. To locate KD6, find the prominent bone on the inside of your ankle. Place your finger on the top part of that bone, not below, not above, but the highest point of the bone. From here, slide your finger just below the bone, about 1/2 inch or so, in a straight line down toward the bottom of your foot. About 1/2 inch or so below the top part, the highest part of that bone, is a small depression. Press into that small depression. You might feel something like an upside down V shape. And you're going to press right below the top of that V. This sometimes tender spot is KD6. To apply acupressure to KD6, from a standing position, bend down to reach your ankle. Or in a sitting position, bring your ankle up to rest on the opposite thigh for easier access. Use your thumb or a fingertip to apply gentle but firm pressure to the point, always curving in. Hold the pressure for 4 to 5 deep breaths or longer if your body invites you to linger and you've got the time. As you press, visualize a gentle wave of hydration and calm flowing through your body. If it's comfortable, you can hold both KD6 points on each ankle at the same time. You can alternate sides if that's not comfortable. You can also always imagine the point held for you. Let's deepen our experience now with kidney 6 through a brief meditation. Gently press on kidney 6 or simply place your attention there. Remember to alternate sides or hold both if you'd like. Release the point whenever you're ready. Take a few deep breaths, or whatever breaths are accessible now. Close your eyes if you'd like. With each inhale, imagine a cool or warm, nourishing wave rising from the soles of your feet inside your body, traveling up your body, reaching every cell and calming your mind. With every breath out, imagine each cell of your body and every part of who you are hydrating and replenishing. A nourishing wave rising from the feet, every cell deeply hydrated. Now, envision or feel yourself standing by a serene moonlit sea. You're safe. The water shimmers in the darkness, calm and endless. Imagine this sea as your inner resource of power, the wellspring of yin energy within you. It is your own inner well of vitality, and it's fed by many streams from all the ones who came before you, passing life and vitality down to you. This well is always here, ready to support you, no matter how far you seemingly wandered or where you are now. Picture or experience yourself sitting to watch this ocean of inner vitality as the hours pass by. At night, the moon reflects silver light on the calm, dark sea. In the morning, the sun rises, casting a golden glow across the waves. At sunset, the light softens, turning the water shades of pink and orange. As the sun and moon illuminate these waters and the deep reserves of life force within you, what do you see? What do you hear? What do you become aware of? Are any insights rising up to the surface? Perhaps something about who you are, your essence, your power. Is there beauty in the way light plays on the water? Is there beauty in whatever is reflected back to you? Or perhaps you're finding beauty in your own depth. Feel the steady waves of this sea nourishing your body, mind, and spirit. As you rest in this stillness, ask yourself, or perhaps ask water, to show you, what do I need to feel replenished now? What do I need to feel replenished now? Hold this question gently, allowing any answers to flow naturally, now or later. When you're ready, let this image fade, but take with you whatever feeling of calm and hydration you may have experienced, any reflections. Turn your attention back to the space you're in, to the solid ground beneath you, through the seat you're on, couch, bed, or the floor. And the felt sense of your body, how it is now, at the close of this meditation. Release the point if you're still holding it, and open your eyes if they were closed. I'd love to hear your experiences with KD6. Did you feel any shifts in your body or emotions as you were using this point or after? Please share your insights or questions in the comments below. Together, we're building a supportive community for wellness. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice today. How special it is to share it with you. If you found this helpful, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and clicking that bell to get notified about more acupressure and holistic wellness tips. For one-on-one sessions, ongoing support, and other resources, visit my website at shiraozsinai.com. Until next time, take care and be well.